Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kurlina and this week I'm starting off my Christmas series with this gingerbread cake from the movie Shrek. So let's get started. I made myself a little template as you can see and I'm using it to cut out my cake. This is actually an 8-inch square cake. Then I'm rounding off the sides of the cake. Just to mention, I also added an indent in each leg and I added some definition around the arms. I divided my cake in half and I'm filling it with some buttercream. Once I was happy with the shape, I added a crumb coat to my cake and I'm popping it in the freezer for 20 minutes. While my cake was in the freezer, I worked on the little facial features that I made using fondant. For the gummy buttons, I just dipped the fondant pieces in water and rolled them in some white sugar. Once my crumb coat was chilled, I'm going to add a final coat of frosting to my cake. Starting off with the indents, I added a little bit of black buttercream in that area. And for the whole cake, I added gingerbread colored buttercream. I achieved this color using some orange yellow food gel and a touch of black food gel. To smooth the cake, I use my straight edge scraper, a little flexi scraper, and my spatula with some hot water. Smoothing was definitely not the easiest on this cake, but I tried my level best to get it smooth. Then this is an optional step, just because I added way too much frosting when I added my final coat. I'm just using my template to cover the excess buttercream on the cake. And I'm just smoothing it using my spatula and some hot water. And this footage actually went lost, guys. Very sorry about that, but I hope that you may get an idea of what I did. Just add the pieces onto my cake, and then for the board I covered it in some white buttercream and I added some coconut flakes just to cover it up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. All my links are in the description box below, and I will catch you guys on another video. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.